Tanzania's sham inquiry, a president bold bid to probe herself. In a move that has ignited outrage among human rights defenders and opposition voices, Tanzanian President Samia Suluhu Hassan has appointed a commission of inquiry to investigate the deadly post-election violence that erupted following her controversial re-election on October 29, 2025. Critics, including prominent activists, liberators, Mwang'ombe denounced it as a blatant fraud, a suspect handpicking investigators into her own alleged crimes. Hassan secured a landslide victory with nearly 98% of the vote amid widespread accusation of electoral irregularities. Main opposition leaders were buried or imprisoned, fueling protests that quickly turned violent.